Is it possible to turn this a bit dull scene into this living tavern environment where each character behaves differently without spending a lot of time or money on custom animations? Yes, you can! All you need is a VR headset and a tool called Animotive. You just put your VR headset on, and inside Animotive, your movements corresponds to the character's movement. You can record and export this movement as animation and play it inside Unity. And that is how I've been able to record all the different custom animations for my tavern environment. Another cool feature is the ability to record face animations for dialogues. But your model must support blend shapes. If yours do, you can utilize this feature as well. You can also record the leg movement in our animations, but the result looks only okay. They aren't that great. To improve that, you can use the avatar mask feature of Unity and disable leg movement for your animations recorded with Animotive, and use the generic walk animation for the leg part and our animation for the upper body movement. Animotive has sponsored this video, so I can share with you how to use this awesome tool. The tool is free for non-commercial use, and it is about $20 per month subscription to use those animations in your indie games. This tool is by no means a replacement for professionally made animations. That said, it is such an easy tool to use, and it is so easy to create custom animations in it that it should really help you bring even more life into your indie games. Let me show you how quick it is to create a custom animations for your character in Animotive. You can use one of the characters provided by Animotive, or you can use this plus icon to import your own characters, props, and even sets, so environments, and you can have your very own character inside Animotive. The most important thing is to check humanoid mapping and to check if the T-pose is correctly set, or you can edit the T-pose and modify the bones positions if you need to. You can also apply the texture if you want your character to look the same as in your game. You can also import props, and here you can also adjust the scaling and the materials, as well as you can import the whole scene to make it easier to record your animations. For example, I had sitting animations, so I needed a bench and a table. Next, you just open your virtual scene in Animotive, and now you are loaded into the scene. All you need to do is use Assets menu to add your character, and next, your props that you want to use in your animation. Next, you just select the character and click Embody button so that your movement will correspond to character's movements. You should immediately see a reflection of your character in front of you so you can verify if your movements are correct. When you are ready, just pick up your prop that you will need for your animation and press Y button for 3 seconds on your left controller to start recording your animation. I will perform a few swings and a few poses, and when I am done, I will just press Y button to stop my recording. Next, from the menu, select Panels and Export option, and here you have the FBX. Soon we will be able to directly export to Unity, but for now I need to select the FBX exporter and export. And here is our FBX representing our knight's animation. Just import the FBX into Unity and you can press play to see your animation. Now we need to first go to Rig settings and select Humanoid Rig, so to let Unity knows how to map our animation onto characters in our game. Next, we need to go to the Animations tab, because here we can see our animation. There is some issue with the legs, as we can see. So we are going to go to the root transform position Y and set it to be feet, at the feet level, so now this should work better. Since the animation that we have exported from Animotive will be a single long timeline, we can split our long animation into a couple of those. We're going to select the start position and the end position for the animation that we want to play. When we are done with it, we can apply it and look at the animation by pressing play to see how our animations will be played on our character. When you're done, we have our animation in our Projects tab, so just select Animator of your character and drag your animation into the animator, and when you press play, the character should be playing our animation. And the great thing about this system is that if you need to record more custom animations, all you need to do is put on your headset and record more animations in seconds. I had a lot of fun playing around with this tool, so I encourage you to also check it out because it is amazing how fast you can create custom animations for your game. And if you need some help, Animotive has a great Discord channel where you can ask questions, ask for support, and also share your work. You can download Animotive using the link down in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, take care!